Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to your website. We will explore 2 easy methods to integrate your online store, whether you want to sell just a few items or your entire product catalog. This guide will help you choose the best approach for your business, ensuring a smooth and effective setup. Let's dive into making your e-commerce vision a reality with simple, actionable steps. The first method involves using Shopify's Buy Button sales channel. You can create a custom button for any product or collection right from your Shopify admin panel. This generates one small snippet of code that you simply paste onto your website. When customers click, they can add items to their cart and check out, all while staying on your original site, offering a seamless shopping experience. For a more comprehensive integration, consider connecting your full Shopify store. You can achieve this by setting up a subdomain like shop.yourwebsite.com or by using a subdirectory such as yourwebsite.com/shop. This approach allows your customers to browse your entire product catalog and complete their purchases within a fully branded environment, offering a robust and professional online store presence. When integrating, always ensure your current website platform can embed the necessary code. Consistency in branding, including colors and fonts, is crucial for a cohesive user experience across both your main site and your Shopify store. Finally, remember to thoroughly test all product links and the entire checkout process to guarantee everything works perfectly for your customers. This ensures a professional and reliable online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.